Imagine walking into your kitchen and being greeted by a sparkling countertop, gleaming appliances, and a fresh, inviting atmosphere. That's the magic of the Real Maids. We specialize in transforming your home into a sanctuary of cleanliness, starting with the heart of your home, the kitchen. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our clients have to say. "I never knew my kitchen could look this good. The Real Maids made it feel brand new," says Sarah, one of our delighted customers. And she's not alone. Our clients rave about the attention to detail and the personalized service we provide. With the Real Maids, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're gaining VIP perks. Enjoy flexible scheduling, eco-friendly products, and a dedicated team that treats your home with the utmost respect. We go above and beyond to ensure your satisfaction. Ready to experience the difference? Don't wait. Contact us today and let the Real Maids take care of your cleaning needs. Your spotless kitchen is just a call away.